Barcelona is a city that will steal your heart from the moment you step into its vibrant streets. Imagine strolling through narrow alleys lined with colorful buildings, the smell of fresh churros filling the air, and the sound of street musicians playing flamenco guitars. But before you pack your bags and hop on that plane, there are a few things you absolutely need to know to make your first trip unforgettable. From hidden gems to common tourist mistakes, this video will guide you through everything you need to experience Barcelona like a pro. So grab a seat and let's dive into the magic of this Catalan paradise. First things first, let's talk about when to visit. Barcelona is a year-round destination, but the best time to go is during the spring or fall. The weather is perfect, not too hot, not too cold, and the crowds are smaller compared to the busy summer months. Summer might seem tempting with its sunny skies, but be prepared for long lines at attractions and higher prices for accommodations. If you're a fan of festivals, plan your trip around La Mercè in September or Sant Jordi in April, as these events showcase the city's culture and traditions in the most spectacular way, offering a unique glimpse into Barcelona's vibrant spirit. Now, let's talk about getting around. Barcelona has an excellent public transportation system, including buses, trams, and a metro network that covers almost every corner of the city. If you're planning to use public transport frequently, get a T10 ticket, which gives you 10 rides at a discounted price and can be shared among multiple people. Walking is also a great option, especially in the city center, where many attractions are close to each other, and the charming streets invite exploration. Just remember to wear comfortable shoes because Barcelona's streets are full of surprises, from hidden courtyards to bustling markets, and you'll want to explore every inch of it at your own pace. One of the biggest mistakes first-time visitors make is trying to see everything in one trip. Barcelona is packed with iconic landmarks like Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, and Casa Batlló, but don't rush through them in an attempt to check off every site. Take your time to appreciate the intricate details of Gaudí's architecture and the stories behind these masterpieces, as each one tells a unique tale of creativity and innovation. If you're short on time, prioritize the attractions that interest you the most, and don't forget to book your tickets online in advance to skip the long queues, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience. Speaking of Gaudí, no trip to Barcelona is complete without exploring his works. Start with Sagrada Familia, the city's most famous landmark. This basilica has been under construction for over a century and is a true testament to Gaudí's genius. Next, head to Park Güell, a whimsical park filled with colorful mosaics and stunning views of the city. Casa Batlló and Casa Milà are also must-sees, showcasing Gaudí's unique style and creativity. Each site offers a glimpse into the mind of one of history's greatest architects. But Barcelona isn't just about Gaudí. The city is home to countless other treasures, like the Gothic Quarter. This historic neighborhood is a maze of narrow streets, charming squares, and medieval buildings. Spend an afternoon wandering through its alleys, discovering hidden cafes, boutique shops, and ancient Roman ruins. Don't miss the Barcelona Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture, and the Plaça Real, a lively square perfect for people watching. Food is another highlight of any trip to Barcelona. Catalan cuisine is a delicious blend of Mediterranean flavors, and you'll find everything from tapas to seafood paella. Start your day with a traditional breakfast of pan con tomate, bread with tomato, and a cup of café con leche. For lunch, head to a local market like La Boqueria, where you can sample fresh produce, cheeses, and cured meats. In the evening, indulge in a tapas crawl, trying dishes like patatas bravas, croquetas, and jamón ibérico. And of course, don't forget to pair your meals with a glass of sangria or cava. While you're exploring the city, make sure to visit the beaches. Barcelona's coastline is one of its biggest attractions, offering a perfect blend of city and sea. Barceloneta Beach is the most popular, but if you want something quieter, head to Bogatel or Marbella. Spend a relaxing afternoon soaking up the sun, swimming in the Mediterranean, or enjoying water sports. And when hunger strikes, you'll find plenty of beachside bars serving fresh seafood and cold drinks. Another tip for first-time visitors is to learn a few basic phrases in Catalan or Spanish. While many locals speak English, making an effort to communicate in their language goes a long way. Simple phrases like hola, hello, gracias, thank you, and por favor, please, can make your interactions more pleasant. Catalans are proud of their culture and language, so showing respect for their traditions will earn you smiles and maybe even some insider tips. Safety is also something to keep in mind. Barcelona is generally a safe city, but like any popular tourist destination, it has its share of pickpockets. Be especially cautious in crowded areas like La Rambla, the metro, and major attractions. Keep your belongings close. Avoid flashing expensive items, and consider using a money belt or anti-theft bag. By staying alert, you can focus on enjoying your trip without any worries. If you're a fan of art and history, Barcelona has plenty of museums to explore. The Picasso Museum houses one of the most extensive collections of the artist's works, while the Museu Nacional d'Art de Catalunya showcases Catalan art from the Romanesque period to the 20th century. For something more contemporary, visit the Museum of Contemporary Art or the Centre de Cultura Contemporánea de Barcelona. Each museum offers a unique perspective on the city's rich cultural heritage. Shopping enthusiasts will also love Barcelona. From high-end boutiques on Passeig de Gràcia to quirky shops in El Raval, there's something for everyone. Don't miss the chance to pick up some local souvenirs like espadrilles, handmade ceramics, or a bottle of cava. If you're visiting during the sales season, January and July, you'll find great deals on fashion and accessories. And for a truly unique shopping experience, explore the city's flea markets, like Els Encants, where you can hunt for vintage treasures. As your trip comes to an end, take some time to reflect on your experiences. Barcelona has a way of leaving a lasting impression, whether it's through its stunning architecture, delicious food, or warm-hearted people. Before you leave, make sure to watch the sunset from Bunkers del Carmel, a hidden spot that offers panoramic views of the city. It's the perfect way to say goodbye to this magical place. Finally, don't forget to capture your memories. Take plenty of photos, but also take a moment to put your camera down and soak it all in. Barcelona is a city that deserves to be experienced with all your senses. Whether it's the sound of the waves crashing on the shore, the taste of freshly made churros, or the sight of Gaudi's masterpieces, these are the moments you'll cherish forever. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides. Share your favorite Barcelona experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you know someone planning their first trip to Barcelona, share this video with them. Until next time, happy travels.